Welcome to Jubaer Learning Tech. This is Jubaer. So today I want to share with you one simple networking project. So now I take two router here. So the router will be 1 and 4 1. So I take one here and another is here. So before the connection, need to set up this one. Need to off. After that I switch. I give this one. Okay, then on. I go to the second router, it to off, then this one on. Okay, so now I will give the connection. I take this one, serial 0 by 1 by 0. Okay, okay, now I will give the configuration here. Go to configuration, then gigabyte Ethernet 0 by 0. So here will be one IP address. So I give here 10.0.0.1. Okay, after that need to on this one, then I go to RIP and add here also here. Okay, then I go to the second router, serial 0 by 1 by 0. Click here, this one will be 2. Then on, need to go RIP here. After that this one will be 2 here. So now this one is done. Okay, I have to need to put here because there have some problem, that's why didn't showing the connection. So now it's okay. So the router 2 is here. I have to go serial number 0 by 0 by 1, then put here and then go to RIP. Okay, so now is the connection is done. If that I set data one side to another side, this one working successful here. Okay, so here I add a switch. I take two switch here. Okay, another one is here. Okay, and the opposite side I take also another two. Okay, then I take for desktop. Okay, this one is done. Now in this side also. Okay, so now I will give the connection. First Ethernet. This one will be gigabyte 0 by 1. Okay, after that first 800 0 by 2 here. Need to add also this one. Okay, this one also same. Okay, this one also same. After that this one is okay. So need to give the configuration. I go to the gigabyte Ethernet 0 by 0 here. Here I write 192.168.101. Okay, so this one control C. Okay, this one is done. After that add here the RIP. Okay, then I go to this desktop here. After that This one will be 2 here. Okay, default gateway will be the router number. Okay, this one is done. So now I go to the second gigabyte 0/2 here. After that I put here that is will be similar 193.168.1.1. Then need to click here and also RIP here. Okay, now I go to the PC1 desktop. After that I put here, this one will be 2 here. After that this one will be okay. Now this one is done. If I check the data one side to another side 02, this one showing failed, no problem. I will check in. It took okay, maybe now work. Now it's successful here. So I go to this side also. So need to go gigabyte. Here I have to put the router IP address will be 194.168.1.1. Okay, need to add RIP also. Okay, now I go to the PC2 here. After that this one will be 2. Okay, and default gateway will be the router IP address here. This one is done. So now I go to the gigabyte. So this one will be I check this one. Okay, 196.168.1.1. so then add to RIP here also. Okay, this one is done. Now need to go PC3 desktop, then open this one. After that this one will be 2. So now this one is done. So I have to check right now this one work or not. Suppose that here I send here PC0 to 2, maybe fail first time, no problem. It will take time successfully here. If I send PC1 to PC2, so successful also. If I send from PC0 to 3, this one fail first time, no problem. I'll try the second time successfully here. If that now I check this one also successful. From here to here successful here also. From PC2 1 successful. Okay, this one also successful. If I go to the simulate, then I check this one. So now the message going one side to another side, then it show the green signal. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, now everything going. We have to wait until showing the green signal. This message. Okay, almost done. View of the message. After that I will give the another things to add here also. Okay, this one is done. So I have to add another things here. I go to okay, no problem.